வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. TNPSC எக்ஸாம்ஸில் என்னென்ன மாதிரி மாடல்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் சப்ஜெக்ட் வைஸ் ட்ரெண்டு பார்த்தோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம லாஸ்ட் எபிசோட்லேருந்து ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கோம். இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது இந்த எபிசோடில் 2019 ஆண்டு சயின்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் குரூப் 1 கேட்ட கேள்விகள். மொத்தம் 27 கேள்விகள் நம்ம இந்த ஒரே எபிசோடில் பார்த்துருவோம். சரிங்களா? முதல் கேள்வி, இன் வேக்கம் ஆல் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஃபால் வித் A. Same acceleration and heavy bodies reach ground first. B. Same acceleration and reach the ground at the same time. C. Different acceleration and reach the ground at different time. D. Different acceleration and heavy bodies reach ground first. Answer is same acceleration and reach the ground at the same time. B is the answer. Second question. The time of reverberation of a hall can be decreased by A. Having a number of loudspeakers. B. Opening all windows and doors. C. Closing all windows and doors. D. Speaking loudly. The answer is B. Opening all windows and doors. Third question. Which spectroscopy is used in chemical examination of interstellar space? A. Microwave spectroscopy. B. Infrared spectroscopy. C. Raman spectroscopy. D. NMR spectroscopy. The correct answer is A. Microwave spectroscopy. Fourth question. The Indian saltpeter is A. Ammonium nitrate NH4NO3. B. Sodium nitrate NaNO3. C. Potassium nitrate KNO3. D. Calcium nitrate CaNO3 2. The correct answer is C. Potassium nitrate KNO3. Fifth question. The main constituent of steel in India are A. Nickel and copper. B. Manganese and chromium. C. Ferrous and copper. D. Titanium and chromium. The correct answer is B. Manganese and chromium. Question number 6. The end product of anaerobic respiration is A. Acetyl coenzyme. B. Ethanol alcohol. C. Pyruvic acid. D. Succinic acid. The correct answer is B. Ethanol alcohol. Seventh question. Golden rice is a genetically modified crop where the incorporated gene is meant for biosynthesis of A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is A. Vitamin A. Question number 8. Most widely used bioweapon is A. Bacillus subtilis. B. Vibrio cholera. C. Bacillus anthracis. D. Escherichia coli. The correct answer is C. Bacillus anthracis. Ninth question. Among the following plants, which one has oil repelling property? A. Tobacco. B. Maize. C. Hibiscus. D. Aloe vera. The correct answer is D. Aloe vera. 10th question. What happens in human thalassemias? 1. Reduce alpha globulin synthesis. 2. Reduce beta globulin synthesis. 3. Enhance alpha and beta globulin synthesis. The choices are A. 1 alone is correct. B. 2 alone is correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. 3 alone correct. The correct answer is C. 1 and 2 are correct. 11th question. Which of the following plant boosts the production of red blood cells? A. Turmeric, B. Tulsi, C. Lemongrass, D. Mustard. The correct answer is C. Lemongrass. 12th question. Nuclear forces are A. Strongly attractive force, B. Strongly repulsive force, C. Attractive of repulsive depend on nucleons, D. Gravitational forces. The correct answer is A. Strongly attractive force. Question number 13. According to Moseley's law, the frequency of spectral line in X-ray spectrum varies as A. Atomic number of element, B. Square of the atomic number of element, C. Square root of atomic number of element, D. Fourth power of atomic number of the element. The correct answer is B. Square of atomic number of element. 14th question. A cathode ray oscilloscope CRO is used to measure dash of the signal. A. Voltage, B. Frequency, C. Phase, D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. 15th question. Which one of the compound is not a protonic acid? A. Sulfurous acid, B. Sulfur dioxidanyl, C. Boric acid, D. Phosphorus acid. The correct answer is C. Boric acid. 16th question. Sulfur dioxide acts as A. A reducing agent, B. An oxidizing agent, C. Both reducing and oxidizing agent, D. Neither reducing nor oxidizing agent. The correct answer is C. Both reducing and oxidizing agent. 17th question. Nitrous oxide is known as laughing gas. It is used in medical field as A. Instant horsepower, B. Propellant, C. Antiseptic, D. Anesthetic. The correct answer is D. Anesthetic. 18th question. Methane is a carbon compound. Its molecular formula is CH4, B. CH3Cl, C. C2H6, D. CCl4. The correct answer is CH4. A is the correct answer. 19th question. Which of the following is strong acid and strong base reaction? A. Formic acid and ammonia, B. Formic acid and sodium hydroxide, C. Hydrochloric acid and ammonia, D. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. The correct answer is D. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. 20th question. Find the wrong pair or pairs. 1. Metabolism, sum total of enzymatic reactions. 2. Auxin, photosynthesis. 3. Photolysis of water, growth. 4. Oxidative phosphorylation, respiration. Choices are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 only, C. 2 and 3, D. 3 and 4. The correct answer is C. 2 and 3. 21st question. Which one of the following is need on a non-conventional source of raw material for paper production? A. Bamboo, B. Casuarina, C. Sugarcane bagasse, D. Eucalyptus. The correct answer is C. Sugarcane bagaceae. 22nd question. Which one called from the development and the maturation of the erythrocyte from the hematocytoplast? A. Erythropoiesis. B. Erythrocyanin. C. Erythrocyte. D. Hematocyte. The correct answer is erythropoiesis. 23rd question. Combined drug in used to cure the malaria is A. Quinine. B. Fansidar. C. Chloroquine. D. Primaquine. The answer is B. Fansidar. 24th question. In mammals, the mammalian gland are modified gland of the following. 1. Salivary gland. 2. Sebaceous gland. 3. Pituitary gland. The choices: A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only. The answer is B. 2 only. 25th question. Which one of the following ecological pyramid is always upright? A. Pyramid of energy. B. Pyramid of number. C. Pyramid of biomass. D. B and C. The correct answer is A. Pyramid of energy. 26th question. What is the covalency of nitrogen in ammonium molecule? A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. 5. The correct answer is C. 3. 27th question. Norman borlaug is associated with 1. High yielding variety seeds. 2. Chemical fertilizers. 3. Chemical pesticides. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 3. D. 2 only. The answer is 1 only, that is high yielding variety seeds. So thank you very much. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சயின்ஸு 2019 உள்ள கேள்வி குரூப் 1 நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். அடுத்து குரூப் 1 சயின்ஸ் கேள்வி இன்னொரு ஆண்டு நம்ம பார்ப்போம் அடுத்த சீரீஸில். நன்றி.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.